Hey folks, it's Keith. Today I want to talk about what it's like to go camping with kids. For those of you who are maybe new to camping or have done a little bit and you have some questions about what it's like taking your kids along, I want to go through some real basic stuff, go through some essentials of what it's like going camping with your children. Now, what I love about camping is it's inexpensive and it really plays into what kids enjoy. Kids think in unstructured terms without a lot of limits around them. This is really perfect for them because they have a lot of room to explore and see the world around them, meet new people and so forth. So let's go through some of the essentials and I'll have the kids talk. So the first thing is a tent, and this is a very simple tent. In fact, I think I got this at a yard sale for just a few bucks and it works really pretty well. And it works good for 2 kids. So what we do here is we've just got a simple queen size air mattress and then 2 sleeping bags. And we forgot the pillows, so we just used some old clothes for the pillows for this trip. Now, Evan, how was it sleeping on this last night?
Nice.
It was nice? It was plenty warm and everything?
Yep.
So this isn't just, not a lot of work went into this or a lot of thought, a lot of money. It's just pretty straightforward and the kids have a good time on it. So I would say one of the most important things to consider bringing when you're going camping with kids is bicycles, right?
Yep.
These guys can go all over the campground. It's a safe place and they have a lot of time and room to explore. And just being able to get some independence from their parents is really important. Now, what do you guys do when you go riding? Where do you guys go?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Playground?
Yeah.
Explore the campgrounds?
Check.
Yeah. So bikes are pretty much essential if you can bring a bicycle. Now, one of the other things that people might be concerned about with camping is cooking and how you feed kids. For us, it's real simple. The kids are busy all day. They really get pretty hungry, and it's not hard to feed them at all. They seem to love SpaghettiOs, picking up those cans for $1, their lunch, sometimes their dinner. For cooking, yeah, you gotta have some candy, like Evan's pointing out. For cooking itself, it's a pretty simple setup. I love these Coleman 2-burner stoves that run on the propane. And then a cast iron skillet I found. You can cook so many different meals in there. I also like to have a second pot, and sometimes I'll have a second burner system too, if the meal is a little bit more complex. But one of the things we really like too is this instant mac and cheese that Evan's holding up. You just use boiling water. You don't need milk or butter or anything. So simple for camping. But this, hot dogs, hamburgers, SpaghettiOs, cereal for breakfast. We'll do some toast, sausage. You can do eggs if you want. Real simple setup. And again, the kids get really hungry by the end of the day, so you don't need to really go to a lot of trouble. One of the other things I think is really important, especially in the summer, is to get a campground that has some swimming nearby. Now, we're at a place called Silver Lake State Park in Vermont that has a really awesome lake. It's really our favorite place to go. And so we always were going to find a place that's got swimming. So I would encourage you, before you look at a campground, that you find a place that's got swimming available for kids, because kids absolutely love it. And then another thing I think is important for camping is to bring other kids along so your kids have some friends to play with and they can occupy themselves. So that's really important. So we brought Lucas this time, one of Evan's best friends. Now, can I ask you guys, what do you guys like about camping?
We like dogs, kids, bikes, lakes, and playgrounds.
Wait,
Lakes, yeah.
Yeah.
What about you, Lucas? What do you like?
I kind of like everything.
You like everything. Yeah, camping's really fun, especially for boys. But
And the food.
girls love it. And the food. Girls love it too. It's really great for kids. And
And you love nature.
If you love nature, this is a great place. So I hope you guys get out and go camping. If you have any questions about camping with kids, ask me and I'll ask these guys if they're around. And thank you for watching. Bye.